As we mentioned in our last video, traditional 3-in-1 lasers moving has come with plenty of flaws, keeping them from widespread use. But the brand new FINEART FA 500 BSW IP breaks through in 4 core aspects, fixing the industry's long-distance pain points once and for all. First, fully upgrade optical performance. It features a high-precision multi-layer coil optional system, which completely solves the common defects of traditional lasers like yellow beam tinted, light distortion, and blue edge, greatly optimizing the light quotation from the root source. Second, the beam textures gets a massive upgrade. The beam stays clean and full all the way through with razor sharp, crisp edge. No massive distort fingers anymore give you an ultra clean, pure light effect. Third, it delivers outstanding long-distance penetration. Thanks to the laser's innate optical exchange, this feature boosts superior light congruence and ultra-focused beams with incredible reach over far distance. Paired with an industry's leading 28+ massive zone range, you can sincerely switch between beam, global and wash moves at will. One single unit handles every lighting task. 4. We completely upgrade its mechanical exchanges. It features endless horizontal rotation, breaking in this 540-degree rotation limit of traditional lights. It can spring continuously clockwise and counterclockwise without stops. The unlocks unlimited creative for lighting programming and lets you craft stunning dynamic light movements. Plus, it is built with all-weather outdoor protection. The whole fixtures use lightweight aero housings. It compared build mask installation and transport a total breeze in comes standard with IP66 protection rating, fully sheltering it from rain, dust, and oil fumes. That means steady long-term operation, delivering with flawless whistles, cost efficiencies, and rock-solid reliability at once. The FA 500 BSW IP harnesses lasers power to light up the future of stage visuals.